Dear students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Sarita Verma from Department of Library and Information Science, MLB Government College of Excellence, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Today we are going to discuss on the module entitled Recent Trends in User Studies. It is the part of the paper entitled Library Use and User Studies. You know very well user study means library survey. It is called library survey because studies of information need or information use behavior or reading habits concentrate upon a wider range of information sources and channels other than simple libraries. A study entitled Pilot Study on the Use of Scientific Literature by Scientists conducted by Ralph R. Shaw in 1956 is considered pioneer study in this direction. One of the turning point in this history of user study was established the Center CRUS called Center for Research on User Studies in 1975 at the University of Sheffield. The purpose of the center is to create a national center to act as a focus for research in user studies would improve the utility of user studies. So students, let's see what are the objectives learned from this module. First is to know the concept and meaning of user studies. Second is to highlight the genesis and development of user studies. Third one is to discuss the trend of user studies at the national and international scenario. Fourth one is to observe the area of recent trends on user studies, and next is the implementation of user studies in library services. Now we will discuss the development and growth of user studies. In the year 1948, user studies was first introduced in the Scientific Information Conference of Royal Society. In this conference, Urquhart and Bernal presented their research findings. The study was conducted in 8 research and educational institutions. In early stage of user studies, it was mainly related to scientists who were associated disciplines like biochemistry, medicine, engineering, physics, etc. The concentration of user studies on this subject were on the fact that the publication of professional and scientific information in this discipline was adequate at the time in comparison with the humanities. This resulted in the earlier development of information handling tools like indexes and abstracts. In early 1960s, the presence of literature shows that the number of studies increased rapidly. At that time, many user studies were focused on document studies. In 1970s, researchers targeted the user group like magistrates, urban citizens, personnel working in local authorities, university students. In 1980s was the era which was known by the increasing awareness surrounding the conceptual framework and methodological issues of user studies. After that, in 19th, the implementation of conceptual framework of theories was strengthened. With the presence of ICT-driven gadgets, mainly internet has been considered as the main source of information. Now the internet has become the powerful source of information. This results in number of studies set out to investigate a multiple issue concerning the impact of internet on the user and the information community. Now we will see what is the recent trends of user study in international scenario. The upcoming trend in user studies as a result of technological advances and changes in economic of information system. Many studies have looked into digital library in specific context. Bishop in 1999, Covey and Kling 1997 studied the use of digital libraries by people from different social and economic backgrounds. Furness and Rauch studied use of digital libraries and conclude that in searching for information, a one-shot query is very rare. John and Cockburn in 1996 studied different World Wide Web browsers in terms of their navigational support. Marshall and others studied the use of digital reading devices. Elder and others discussed category of reading to discuss category of writing in relation to document. Jones and others in 1999 studied the difference between user interfaces through experimentation. Sugimoto and others also followed this approach when comparing 5 different user interfaces to support access to digital libraries. Several studies like Bishop, France and others, Marshall and others employed transaction logs to gain an understanding of the activities users were engaging in with digital libraries. User studies are moving into a mature generation by building on earlier foundation research. Wilson in 2000 discussed that action research and qualitative research are appropriate methodologies for study of human information behavior. Now, qualitative research is another emerging trend in information science, originated in social science. However, there are less study carried out as compared to studies in the area of hypertext, www, laser extent, browsing in digital libraries, and information retrieval field. There is a strong need to focus upon users' requirement of information sources. Academic libraries have now restored to introduce instructional courses such as library orientation, faculty development programs, and bibliographical instructions to stimulating the use of library resources by students. It is more focused to the need of its users. Many studies conducted in the field of public libraries, These studies include mostly use studies, behavior studies, etc. of the users of public libraries. A study on library surveys in Australia reveals the social characteristics of public library adult education of users. This study found that most of the frequent users had a higher standard of education or belong to a higher professional group. Even in special libraries, the impact of user studies is significant. It helped in understanding the basic requirement and preferences of users of such libraries. This led to networking the computerization in special libraries. They now use consortia on the network as bibliographical centers for interlibrary loan and reference services. Now we come to the discussion on the national scenario. A significant effort was made by INSDOC, now the name is NISCARE, and conducted a user survey entitled INSDOC List of Current Scientific Literature. It was carried out in 1964. After that, INSDOC compiled Indian Science Abstract. ISLIC conducted a seminar on user and library and information services and pay the attention towards users. In the year 1967, INSDOC conducted a pilot survey to assess the information need of researchers of electronics. One pioneer study was conducted by M.S. Sridhar. This study conducted on ISRO Satellite Center, Bangalore. The result of this doctoral work have been published under the title Information Behavior of Scientists and Engineers. Now we will discuss the national scenario in academic libraries where the recent trends of user study is going on. Numerous studies in the field of academic libraries were conducted in recent years. Some well-known user studies and their results are: first one is the Shibu Ray and M.D. Baby in 2011 entitled Information Seeking Behavior of the Academics of University of Kerala in Changed Library Environment. This study reveals that academics have welcomed the automation of library and a shift towards electronic information seeking is visible, which implies that ICT has an important on the information seeking behavior of the academics. Next studies is the conducted by Joginder Singh entitled Information Seeking Behavior of Academics in Government Colleges in Changing Scenario, conclude that academics have welcomed the automation of libraries. This study was conducted in 2010. Some remarkable studies in these fields are use of library resources in university library by the students by Mohammad Sohail and others. Next is user perception and use of library and information services in the higher research and academic institution in Lucknow city by K.L. Mahawar in 2012. Use of e-journals by researchers in Aligarh Muslim University by M.M. Raza and A.K. Upadhyay, etc. The well-known user studies in this academic field were conducted by P. Geeth, Varghese, M.S. Lohar, T.N. Hughes, Roopshri, it was conducted in 2006. Lalitha Kesami and Rabia Ifat, it was conducted in 2009. D.B. Patil and S. Parmeswar, Y. Srinivasa Rao and B.K. Chaudhary, K.V. Manjunatha, this study was conducted in 2010. B.D. Kambar and Guru Raj Hadgali in 2009, entitled Use of UGC Infonet Journals Consortium by faculty members and research scholars of Karnataka University, etc. Now we are discussing the national scenario of user study in the field of public libraries. User study in the field of public library are less as compared to academic and special libraries. An important study entitled User Survey of Selected Public Libraries of West Bengal by Amit Kumar Bandopadhyay, which was carried out in the year 2004. This study highlights that only 14.13% of the users found during the survey are female. There is no reader of ST category, although a high percentage of population belonging to this category. This was the part of major research project funded by UGC. A pioneer study in this field was e-reading habit of public library users in Erode Corporation, conducted by M.R. Ramesh in 2012. Now we see the special libraries where the user studies are going on in recent year. A number of studies have been conducted in the past to assess the information requirements of scientists, engineers, and technologists. Some remarkable studies in various allied fields such as forestry was carried out by T. Hazarika in 2005, entitled Information Use Pattern of Indian Forestry Scientists. M. Ahmad and S. Haridasam carried out the user survey on use of periodical by scholars at National Library of Veterinary Science. Another study on this subject was carried out by Biswas and Enamal Haq in 2008. In recent years, user study on special organization was also noticed. Mahavar and others studied on information seeking behavior of geologist Kiran Kaushik and others in 2011 studied on information seeking behavior of users of cyber library. It was the case study of Tata Institute of Social Science. After the discussion of national scenario of academic libraries, we come to the digital libraries. Today in library and information centers, various kinds of electronic resources have been produced by applying modern IT. The commonly available electronic resources are competing with the some instance replacing the print-based information sources which have been in place of primary media for storage and communication of recorded information. Because of this reason, many user studies in this field were conducted. One remarkable study was carried out by Sadanand Y. Bansod and Shamin Pereira, which was conducted in 2008. This study, entitled A Survey of Library Automation in College Library in Goa State. This study resulted that Library automation began in the 1970s in a few special libraries and has now reached most of the university library. It due to various problems, many college libraries in India have yet to take off in India. Now we will see the area, methods, conference and seminars where in recent years user studies was carried out. First we will discuss the area of user study. In the past few years, a considerable amount of user studies or surveys have been conducted to examine the user's need, expectations and satisfaction with library services, facilities, collection and staff. I observed nearly about 120 studies from leading journals, that was ILA Bulletin, ISLIC Bulletin and Searles Journal of Information Management from 2000 to 2014. It was the period of 15 years and I conclude that maximum user studies were carried out in the field of academic library, which was covered 61.6%, followed by special libraries 21.6%. The weak area of research in user study is public library 4.3%, whereas another fields covered 12.5%. It is also observed that some areas are less covered by researchers for conducting user studies. These areas are studies on women, rural areas, farmers, medical science and veterinary science, banking sectors and physical disabled person, etc. Now we will see the method, tools and techniques used in user studies in recent years. Survey approach was used for conducting maximum user studies and primary data were collected through questionnaire, interviews, schedules, etc. Random sampling techniques was adopted for various studies. Some studies use chi-square test for analyzing data. Statistical tools such as percentage, chi-square, t-test and one-way ANOVA were used to analyze the data using SPSS software package. Many researchers use the FoxPro database management software, which is abbreviated DBMS, to analyze the data. Now we come to the point category of user study. On the basis of observation of about 120 user studies from 2000 to 2012, I found that number one is 42.5% studies conducted to find out the overall pattern of interaction of the users community within the communication system called communication behavior study. Second one, I observed that 24.2% studies conducted to find out the use of communication media like primary, secondary, periodicals, etc. Third observation was 18.3% studies conducted to find out the pattern of flow of information in the science communication system as whole. And I also found 15% studies conducted to find out the extent of use of services and facilities offered by libraries. Now we will see the discussion on user studies in conference and seminars. It is evident from the following data that user study, including information seeking behavior, information needs, use patterns, information sharing patterns, etc., were the focal point of information conferences, seminars, workshops conducted in various parts of world. Some important are: first one is the Conference of Digital Information Technology held at Amman, Jordan in 2004. In this conference, the two sub-theme was, first one is user studies for evaluation of digital library system and application, and second one was the user behavior and modeling. Third one is user mobility and context awareness in information access and user interface for digital institutions were the conference topics. Next one is the second national conference of Society for Promotion of Libraries on Libraries. It was conducted at the CSJM University Kanpur in 2014. User expectations experience in modern library system. A case study was one sub-theme. Next one is the National Conference on Management of Modern Libraries held at Manipal University in 2014, and sub-theme was Users, Use Needs and Expectations. Next one is the National Seminar on Re-engineering Academic Libraries held at Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University in 2014 in Jaipur, and theme was the information use and information seeking behavior and user need mapping or needs mapping were sub-themes. Next is the National Seminar on Challenges in Library Management System held at ISCS Kolkata in 2012, and topic was User Interface and User Needs and Satisfaction. Next is the International Conference on Academic Libraries held at Delhi in 2009. User-centric service, reference and outreach was the sub-theme in international conference. And now we come to the domestic conference, 49th ILA conference on responding to users' need in changing information landscape held at Bundelkhand University, Jhansi, UP in 2003-04. Now we come to the result. It is the implementation of recent user study to improve the library services. How these services can be upgraded by the use of modern techniques of user studies. Now, electronic information resources are introduced in libraries. So, library users seek new possibilities for obtaining the information. If the library provides remote access to the database, it becomes more physically accessible to the library users. Only by conducting user studies, librarians can take necessary decisions to improve to electronic resources. It is only possible by gathering library users, their interaction with library services and materials used. Recommendations of various user studies may be applied to improve the library operations. It is to be noted that certain libraries may need special attention. Some prominent studies discussed below to help LIS professionals as the basis of decision making in libraries. First way to use these research results is as the basis of decision making in library. The second way is to use this evidence to influence the vendors of online searching system or the publishers of other library resources. Wildmuth and Moray in 1995 suggested way to improve vocabulary support that could be immediate by the online vendors. The third way is to use this evidence you have gathered to support your own development of library systems, either for individual library or for a consortium libraries. Wildmuth and others in 2002 had led us in this direction. While such development projects may stretch the resources available in individual libraries, They have the potential to advance the practice of librarianship across multiple libraries. So, students, let us summarize what we have learned from this module. This module has attempt made to explain and discuss the concept of user studies and its recent trends in digital era. User studies and user data are essential to system analysis. User information is the important part in the measurement and evaluation of library services. It is also helpful for the planning of libraries. Libraries and information centers are so far for being models of efficiency in their organizational and delivery system. Several criticisms against user studies are as follow. First one is lack of proper selection of population or universe, over generalization, lack of proper analysis, diverse classification of communication channels. Because of the above mentioned criticism, several information scientists doubted the credibility of user studies. But now, modern techniques, including statistical analysis by using computers, have accounted on a change in the situation. In spite of this, it can be said for certain that user students are flawless. Library and information science change the world of the information environment called the information age or digital age. In the early of 21st century, due to rapid growth of information technology, libraries were no going back to control. Now user studies have become an important area of information science and developing into a branch of information science. By this result, user studies and information retrieval are becoming close. Gap between information seeking, information retrieval, and information services are becoming narrow because important themes are emerging in user studies.